Hey, to record screen on the Windows 11, first of all, you'll have to move into the taskbar and click on the Start Windows button. Then go to the search and input sniping tool phrase. You have to open this program, this application. Now we can actually click here to get it bigger, and we have to switch from the screenshot to the screen recorder icon. Now when you click on the new, you can select any part of the screen. If you want to capture whole screen, just select everything. So we have to click and hold with the left mouse button and then drag, and after this release the left mouse button. If you want to start recording with your microphone, you can actually do this from here. So we can select your microphone just like this, and now we have to click to unmute also, and here we can also record internal sounds, so we can mute them or record them. Now to start, just click right here. After this 3 seconds countdown, you will start your records, and you can basically record all of your screen on the Windows 11 with the easy way. You can pause this record or finish by clicking just right here, and now we can quickly play it. You will start your records. So that's how it looks. When you click on the 3 dots in the right upper corner, you can quickly share this. But you can also save this record by clicking on this button with the left mouse button or using Ctrl and S button. So as you can see, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.